Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. As in my earlier video of LRC, I was showing you that it broke out another falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we watch the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this next falling wedge pattern, it has rallied very well. And right now it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 35.8 cents, almost at 36 cents. We have this resistance that had been previously working as a resistance here. And before that, here it had been working as a support. And now again, you can see that the price line is trying to break out this resistance. Before that, we have already broken out this big falling wedge pattern, and after that it was stuck inside this wedge. And now we have again broken out this resistance of EMA 21 that was previously working as a very long-term resistance, and now it can work as a long-term support for the price line. There is a very huge development flashed on this 7 days time frame chart, and that is, you can see that it is breaking out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Previously, you can see it had been breaking as a very strong resistance when it was very strong bearish here. And now here you can see that it is turning big bearish, and even here you can see it is quite squeezed. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it will be flipped into a bullish cloud and the color will be changed from red to green like it was changed here. And after the breakout from this bearish cloud, we can expect a very massive rally. It depends where this candlestick will be closed. I'm expecting that this weekly candlestick will be closed above the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Pepe, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 1st of Feb. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of LRC. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously, you can see it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern since after the month of November 2021. And in those days, I've been telling you that after the breakout, this downtrend can be finished and a long-term uptrend can be started. But after the breakout, we had a short rally, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 50 cents and also got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we have broken out the resistance of this wedge. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see so far it has pumped almost 171% and broke out this resistance of EMA 21 that was working as a resistance, and now it is working as a support. And after that, it has also broken out another resistance of 30 cents as well that was previously breaking as a support here. And here it was almost here, it was working as a resistance as well. And now it is trying to break out the next resistance of 35.8 cents, approximately at 36 cents. And after breaking it out, the next major and key resistance will be here at 50 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks a month. And this time it can again work as a strong resistance. At the same time, LRC also forming a very huge double bottom pattern. You can see that this is the first bottom and this is the formation of the second bottom. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time it can continue this rally to the upside, and this rally will be continued for the long term because we are also breaking out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Previously, when we broke out this cloud, you can see we had a very massive rally, a very long-term rally, and this time after breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, it can again continue this rally for the long term, and this cloud will be working as a strong support for the long term for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the technical targets, and technical target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, where we have a lot of resistance as well at 50 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That can be between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.